Hello, my name is Renata Alessandra Martins Borecki, and today I'm going to present to you my abstract titled Chemical and Economic Aspects of Nitrogen Loss in a Watershed Under No-Tillage Without Terracing. So, the conservation of natural resources is a rising concern, especially because soil is directly related to food security and climate change. Surface runoff is a form of water erosion, which is a major contributor to soil nutrient depletion. As a result, conservation practices are essential, such as no-tillage or no-till and terracing. No-tillage has three basic principles: crop rotation, no soil mobilization, and soil mulching by crop residues, which reduces raindrop impact. While this practice effectively reduces soil losses, it does not mitigate water loss as well as terracing does. This study aimed to evaluate nitrogen water content, nitrogen losses through surface runoff, and the reposition cost of those losses. The research was conducted in a watershed on southern Brazil from November 2022 to April 2023, which was summer crop season. River water was sampled, filtered, and analyzed to determine soluble nitrogen, specifically ammonium and nitrate, total nitrogen and particulate nitrogen, plus the river flow data. And the reposition cost was calculated based on urea with a reference cost of $330 per megagram at the time. This graph showcases monthly nitrogen loss in kilogram by hectare, and the red dotted line is the reposition cost in dollars per month. For the soluble fraction, nitrate was prevalent over ammonium, which is due to the nitrification process and the soil negative charges, which cause low adsorption. Largest total nitrogen losses were registered on January and February 2023, mostly in the particulate form, which points to the transportation of soil particles by water in surface runoff. Guadagnin et al. Found that nitrogen in sediments was 10 times larger than nitrogen in surface runoff water, while Utzik et al. Found that in the no-till system, sediment losses by runoff were 3.1 times larger without terraces than with terraces. So, surface runoff is the main cause of nutrient loss, which can be reduced by additional conservation practices, such as production and management of plant residues and terracing. As for the reposition cost, between November and December 2022, it was below $75 per month. However, with rain intensification, between January and March 2023, it went over $197 per month. The average for the watershed in the 6 studied months was $8.36 per hectare, and the total reposition cost for the watershed was $993.60. So, despite the adoption of no-tillage, nitrogen losses through surface runoff are important due to surface water loss. So, it's necessary to combine conservation practices in order to achieve a more efficient and less pollutant agriculture. Thank you for your attention.